Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We've taken a look at this Michael Kors model, Chelsea MK5004 in color code 1014T5. It's a gold color frame. On the temples here we have a gold Michael Kors logo. And at the tip of temples we have a dark brown color. As well for this side. This is the back of the frame. The color of the lenses is a brown gradient polarized color, and it has a P over here engraved on the right lens for polarized. And on this side of the frame, it has a Michael Kors logo. They are RXable. Up here we have a Michael Kors case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.